free on this one. But that is. So I can do that. And that still wouldn't give me enough. Oh well. Shot, man. I'm messing with my class right quick, so don't worry about it. Sure. I will. Anybody else? Alright, blow on it. To me? Oh. This gun. I can't get through there apparently. Perfect. Every fucking time we try to feed animals. Fire, pain, fire. The truck back here, it is. Where's there? What's up behind you? Yeah, they're both dead in the truck. That's what's up behind you. Oh, that truck came around. I shot the gunner in the head. died. No, you didn't. You didn't kill him. He was alive.
Dang.
The chompy lizard. Is it a grenade? Where the fuck did he go? We are Americans. You didn't kill that man. He was behind one of the people. He was just standing in the corner. I told you this. You didn't kill that man at all. I figured, man. I wouldn't admit it. I mean, I killed somebody. I couldn't do it. I am. You're not responsible for your parents' happiness, just so you know that. They're actively choosing to be miserable, hateful people. Like, I do too sometimes, but not all the time. God, I chill out every once in a while. I'm not always fucking hateful. I think I have a decent mix of emotions. That motherfucker threw a grenade and hit me in the face with it, Payne. I died. Same place I was. You're dead, ain't you? Oh. Me? He's right behind me.
Stop shooting me!
The man threw a dumpster, shot me? Man threw the dumpster, shot me. I blame you. You should have manufactured that dumpster out of stronger steel. You're pretty good. Damn. How'd you die? Oh. I was just looking out the window and he was like, I'm dead. I was like, what? I didn't hear anything happen. I'm just here. I thought these people were going for kills and they still can't catch up. I know, you're second place. Lucky you too, I guess. That's what I'm thinking. I've been here the entire time. I know. Died. You wasn't there. You let me down. Like I was very excited he blew it up. Y'all eating early today, huh? Fair enough. You're welcome. Yeah. Was a good kill. Was indeed. Look at me and follow you up here. What the hell? Gunner's dead. Hope you know it's only me and you on point. Yeah. It's fine. Wolfie Cow Gamer Girl. What in the fuck is a Wolfie Cow Gamer Girl? Besides the obvious, it's you. What the fuck was that? Bang, grenade. Oh, that made a weird sound. The fuck? Alright, listen, I ain't saving you no more, Wolfie Cow Gamer Girl. I ain't doing it. That's the 5th time I've saved you. I'm not doing it. Blah. Fucking lad the Impaler. Yeah. I told you I wouldn't save you no fucking more. I don't know about that. Your guy said, yeah. Good. They all went for kills, not for objectives, and somehow we got kills and objectives. I got everything. No, I got everything for me.